Ever since have been making videos and analyzing coins, it's quite rare to see a crypto project trending at the first spot and dumping in price in the bull run phase. Now, let's start by looking at Wu's coin. Launched and listed on CoinMarketCap on August 2020, has been dumping massively in price. The 24-hour price change is down 3.07%, which is a noticeable drop. Looking at the possible reasons behind this decline, there's a recurring theme about a security breach. On July 24, 2025, WuX suffered a $14 million hack due to a phishing attack on a team member. The breach was contained, and users were promised reimbursements, but the immediate reaction is often negative. Another factor could be the broader market movement. The total crypto market cap is up 0.17% in the last 24 hours. So Wu's drop isn't just following the market. This suggests it's more coin-specific. The fear and greed index is neutral at 59, so overall market sentiment isn't the main driver here. Technical analysis shows that the price is below the 30-day SMA of 7 cents, indicating a bearish trend. The RSI is at 58.79, which isn't oversold, so there might be room for further decline if selling pressure continues. The pivot point at 8 cents acts as resistance, and the price is currently below that. Additionally, the security breach led to Wu being labeled a cautionary asset by Bitham in South Korea, which could have triggered sell-offs in that region. The hack also resulted in a 6% price drop immediately after the news, and even though the platform paused withdrawals, the damage to trust was done. The main drivers are the security breach affecting investor confidence, technical indicators showing bearish trends, and regulatory actions like the cautionary designation. These factors combined likely caused the 24-hour price decline. I will love to go in details of WuCoin for those who are unaware of this project. The big problem with decentralization is blockchains' inability to interact with each other. While in centralized blockchains, you don't own your coins. Wu Network is trying to gain users' trust by bridging the gap between SuFi, centralized finance, and DeFi, decentralized finance. Wu offers 3 kinds of platforms: WuX centralized, WuTrade centralized, WuFi decentralized. WuX provides the ability to trade with 0 fees when staking $1,800 WO, otherwise fees are fixed at 0.03%. Huge liquidity, spot, leverage, max 5x, and margin trading, max 20x. The ability to preserve less than 10% capital on losing trades when certain steps are taken. Those steps are: cancel all futures in your order book, cancel half the losing trade that you're in, then cancel the entire trade as it falls below 10. Now $1,800 WO are at around $411 for trading with no fees, which makes it great for day traders. You can also withdraw once a day for free and get prizes if people register with your code. WuX lists coins for 0 fees, mainly based on Big CXs listing them too, to make sure there's enough trading volume and liquidity. The liquidity comes from the liquidity pools on their platforms and trading institutions, like Kronos Research, which has a trading volume of $5 to $10 billion. WuTrade. It's made for large corporations, investment agencies, and traders with big bags that want to invest in crypto without slippage or price impact. Also, small platforms can use the liquidity on WuTrade by staking $WO on WuX. Not only does that further attract investors, but also creates more demand for $WO to maintain its buying pressure. Tokenomics. They have a similar model to Binance, where 50% of Wu's profits are contributed to buying and burning the supply. Max supply, 2.25 B. Circulating supply, 1.68 B. Cap, $383 million. FDV, $514 million. All are good signs. $WO is also used for governance. WuDAO. Any user staking $1,800 WOO can submit proposals. Then 10% of the DAO must vote on the decision. If 55% of voters said yes, the proposal gets accepted.